Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, today today is school cost accounting class. First, find school classroom costing. Cost accountant can use many methods for cost accounting. School want costing end of the month. These are transactions, school teachers fight, and cost accounting data, and light distributions, and cash book of financial accountant, cash book of cost accountant, and school detail total 5 class and 1 admin class and 1 admin office. Cost accountant receive these detail from vouchers. Now we start. First, UK grant 1 receive UK grant 6 lakh, 6 lakh. Financial accountant work and cost accountant work. This time same. Second, purchase furniture. Furniture amount 50 50,000. 50,000. Now financial accountant work and cost accountant work. Third, purchase machinery and equipment. Machinery and equipment 20,000. 20,000. Cost accountant work 20,000. 20,000. Now library books mean furniture asset, machinery and equipment asset, library books asset. That for amount library books amount 10,000. 10,000. Cost accountant work. Now is look carefully. 5 debt school rent. School rent amount 60,000. We paid 60,000. This is financial accountant work. Now you please see cost accountant. Cost accountant date 5/0/19. Cost accountant right. Uh, School rent equally distribute. Is this school rent equally distribute? So you write here first class cost, uh, school rent, school rent, school rent, first class, second, third, fourth, fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth, and admin, admin office equally distribute 60,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. Debt 5, that 5. Okay student, now salaries, salaries, very important. Financial accountant, right? Salaries amount 1,50,000, but cost accountant, right here, date, salaries, look this, uh, admin salary, accountant 20,000, assistant accountant 5,000 salary, principal salary 25,000, total salary 50,000. Cost accountant, right? Cost accountant, right? Date 6, date 6, admin salary, admin office, admin office salaries, salaries, admin office salary 50,000. How? 20,000, 5,000 and 25,000. 3% admin office. So we write here 6 admin office salary. Now school has 5 teachers. 5 teachers. One teacher salary 20,000. Now we write here, uh, we write here uh, salaries, RS salary, salaries, mm, salaries. Remaining amount, uh, total salary 1,50,000, admin separate, admin office salary separate 50,000, and remaining 1 lakh distribute in 5 teachers, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000 and 20,000. Okay dear student. Now repair building, repair building, financial accountant, right? Repair building 40,000, but cost accountant receive data repair building, but 4th and 5th class only, 4th and 5th class only repairing. So cost accountant, right here, uh, which class? 4th and 5th, 4th and 5th, 4th and 5th, 4th and 5th, repair building, 4th repair building, 4th and cost, admin cost. Okay. Now amount, 40,000 equally distribute 20,000 and 20,000. Now function financial accountant, right here, function amount 25,000, 25,000. 25,000 function. This look, cost accountant received data from voucher function, second and third class function, second and third class cost function. You write here date 8, date 8 function, second and third, second and third, second and third, second and third function. Function, function. Now no, this 12,500 and 12,500. Okay, look, same cash in hand. This 2,45,000. Look, 2,45,000 same. Cost accountant balance and financial accountant balance are same. Now light expense, very important. Light expense, light expense amount 8,000, 8,000. Financial accountant and cost accountant, cost accountant. Now data, light expense, first class 2 fan, second class 2 fan, third class 3 fan, fourth class 2 fan, fifth class 3 fan, and admin office 3 fan. Now we find ratio calculation. First class 2 fan, second class 2 fan, third class 3 2 3 2 3, total 15, 15 we get ratio and total this. First class this, second class this, 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 total 8. Now we write here date now we write here light 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That 9. Now 1, light, 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 first class this, admin office, admin office, light, 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 light. Now we write here first class this amount, first class 1067, second class 1067, and 1600, and 1067, and 1600, 1600, admin. Okay, dear student, distribute. Cash in hand, look, financial 2,37,000. Here no, 2 lakh, one is short difference. Why? Check. uh, Only 1 rupees difference, no problem. Only 1 rupees difference. No, no, no. Look, our cash in hand 236,999. This cash in hand difference. Why? Here, so this 236, 23637. Only 1 rupees difference. We check this and this. 1 rupees difference. No calculation. This calculation. Okay. Now light and gas expense. Gas expense. Gas expense amount 3,000. 3,000 as here we write admin office. Admin gas, we will charge admin office gas. Okay, student. Now we gas and telephone telephone charges. Telephone charges is 1,600, 16,000. Telephone charges 16,000. 16,000 telephone charges. Total cost accountant charge admin date 11 1019. Amount 16,000. Telephone. Now telephone. School children bus rent. School children bus, uh, that amount 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Now we distribute all, mean first, second, third and admin. All date 12, 12 date, 12 date and bus rent. Bus bus rent. We write here sorry, round figure. We write here round figure. This okay, bus rent. Uh, bus rent, bus rent, bus rent. Okay, now entertainment, we entertainment only admin. Entertainment amount 8,000. 8,000. Entertainment for teachers and staff, depend cost accountant. Entertainment we post in admin office. Okay, entertainment. Entertainment. Entertainment 8,000. Date 13. Now postage. Postage. Postage admin office amount 200,000 to the admin and admin. Postage 14. Postage, sorry, admin. Postage. Postage amount 2,000. Now office stationery. Office stationery we write in office stationery. Office stationery 5,000. Now cost accountant charge admin. Office stationery. Stationery. Stationery amount 5,000. Now medical. Medical uh, medical medical 4,000. Medical 4,000. 4,000. Suppose medical we apply equally three classes 16, 19, 1, 2, 3. Medical. Medical. Medical 800 per 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 800. 800. 800. 800. Date 16. Now last school course. School course distribute equally 5 class. Amount 11, 2. Now cost accountant date 17 minus mm, suppose 1 lakh 1 lakh. Suppose cash would go 90,000. 90,000. Equally, uh, as course amount 18,000. 1, 2, 3, 18,000. This amount, look, cash in and financial accountant cash in and this, and cost accountant cash in and this equal 3 rupees difference only. Now we make ledger. Financial ledger and cost ledger. Financial ledger and cost ledger. First, we make uh, uh, cost ledger. This we use this cash book. UK grant, UK grant, UK grant, and furniture, machinery and equipment, machinery and equipment, machinery and equipment, and library books. Okay, student. Now we write UK grant 6 lakh, uh, 6 lakh furniture 50. UK grant 6 lakh. Date 1109. Particular uh, cash book 6 lakh and 6 lakh credit balance. Furniture 50 and 20. 50 and furniture and 20 base. Second date, say 20. Date second cash book and 50,000 DR. DR. Third 19 cash book balance 20,000 and debit balance. Now library books amount, library 10,000, only 10,000, 10,000 balance 10,000 and DR. date for cashbook. Now first class cost. First class mean uh, first class for second class and first. We write here first class cost and second second class cost. First class and second class cost. First class we write here first class. Um, Try first class. No, first class. Uh, First class. This first class and first class and first class. First class. First class. First class. First class. Here we write first class. Okay. First class course. mm, First class course. First class cost. First class and second class. 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 Okay. Second class. Where is second class? Now second class. Second class. Oh yeah. Second class. Second class. Second class. Where is second class? Second. This. Second and second. Second and second class. Second class. Now third class. Third class. mm, Third class. Third class. Third class. This. Third class. mm, Third class. Sorry. Third class. Third class. Third class. Yes. Third class. Third class. Now we write here. mm, Third class now. Third class. Okay, now third class. Okay. Mm, 10. Now it, uh, third class, third class and fourth class. Fourth class, third class, third, fourth, fourth class, fourth class, fourth class. Where is fourth class? Fourth class, fourth class. fourth class amount, fourth class amount, right? And fifth class, fifth class, fifth class, and fourth and fifth class, fifth class, fifth class, fifth class, fifth class, fifth class, admin, admin office, admin, admin, admin. Now we solve. mm, okay. Okay. Now we make uh, now now we make try balance. Try balance cash in hand, cash in hand, uh, cash in hand 900, this cash in hand. Mm, 9003 cash in hand. Grant, grant 6 lakh. Furniture, furniture, uh, furniture, where is furniture? Furniture 50,000, this furniture 50,000. Machinery and equipment, machinery and equipment, what amount? 20,000, 20,000. Now first pillar, library books, library books, uh, only 10,000, 10,000. First class, first class course, course, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and admin, main office, admin office. And in first class course, this 66,533, 66,000, 66,533. And first class, second class, this second class 79,000, this 79,003, 79,033. And third, second, third, this 79,566, 79,566, 79,566. Fourth, fourth class, fourth class, this 86,533, 86,000, 86,533. And fifth class 87,066, 87,000, 87,066. Admin, admin office 1,12,000, admin. And now equal. Thanks God. Okay, dear student. Now yourself you make financial accountant ledger. This you yourself, you make yourself. Okay. Okay, dear student. This. Okay. Goodbye. I hope you understand.